But I want to show you this critter, some of you may call it a creature, that was brought to me at a recent program in Shawnee, Oklahoma. Now this little creature was brought to me by Mrs. Jane Kingsley of Shawnee, and it looks very aggressive with these long mandibles, but actually it's quite harmless as far as any kind of a gardening problem. They found it outside a light at night outside their home, and it's called a Dobson Fly as far as the adult, and this is the male. And when they hatch out from the larva, and what I did, I went by Dr. Don Arnold, who in our entomology museum lab showed me what the larva looks like. And let me show you quickly or describe the cycle. The larva is actually an aquatic larva. It lives in the water in streams, primarily in eastern Oklahoma. It can kind of pinch you with its mandibles, which are a little bit shorter, but then it hatches out into the adult, which will fly around to mate with a female, which has shorter mandibles. Once a female's mated, she will then lay eggs, usually over plant material, where the eggs will hatch into larvae that'll fall right into the spring. So if you see anything like that, they're really not harmful, just very unusual looking. And we want to thank Mrs. Kingsley for bringing that by so we could show it with our other viewers.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.